Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem. The problem is that you deleted your live suspended account and now you want to recover it. First of all, what you have to do is just go back and open the settings on your Android device. Just tap on settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is working properly. Also make sure that your VPN is turned off. After that, go back and open your TikTok app. Just tap on TikTok and wait for it to load. Once it opens, go to your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top and select Settings and Privacy. Just tap on it and wait a few seconds. Now scroll down and go to Report a Problem. Once you're there, go to the search bar and type in your issue. Wait for it to load, and then simply search for Live Suspend Account. I've already searched it before, so you'll need to search it again. You'll see an option that says Live is Suspended. Just tap on it. After that, tap No when it asks if the problem is solved, then select Need More Help. Here, you'll see a form where you can write to the TikTok team. Simply explain your issue clearly and tell them that your live account is suspended and you want to recover it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.